Hello friends, welcome to my channel CA Malayalam. This video is with regard to the notification issued by Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, published in the Gazette of India on 23rd September 2020. The council had received many objections and suggestions from the public, and so they had made further amendments to the Chartered Accountants Regulations 1988 on 22nd June 2021. Here are the amendments. An articled assistant who has passed the intermediate examination or IPCC or PE2 examination and completed a minimum of 80 months of practical training, then he shall be eligible for doing industrial training from now onwards. The period of industrial training may be between 9 months to 80 months. That is, compulsory articleship in a firm can be done for 18 months and rest 18 months can be served either in a company or in a firm as industrial trainee. The articled assistant should inform his principal about this industrial training at least before 3 months before the date of commencement of such training. An articled assistant may serve as an industrial trainee in the offices of the central or state governments, central statutory and judicial authorities, regulatory bodies, banking companies, and such the departments of central or state governments, institutions or organizations as may be decided by the council from time to time, or in any of the financial, commercial, industrial undertakings with minimum fixed assets or minimum total turnover or minimum paid capital as may be approved by the council from time to time. Also, the industrial training shall be received under a member of the institute and provided in case of central or state governments, central statutory and judiciary authorities, regulatory bodies, banking companies, and other departments of central or state governments, institution or organizations. The industrial training shall be imparted by an officer who is also a member of the institute of that government, authority, body, bank, department of central or state government, institution or organization as may be recognized by the council from time to time. An associate member shall be entitled to train one industrial trainee at a time, and a fellow member shall be entitled to train 2 industrial trainees at a time. Upon completion of the industrial training, the trainee shall be issued with a certificate in the form approved by the council, and the trainee shall forward the same to the secretary of the institute. The industrial trainee shall be paid monthly stipend on the basis of the agreement made between industrial trainee and the member imparting the industrial training. Apart from this, an articled assistant may also serve as an industrial trainee in any foreign country under a member of the accountancy body in that country recognized by the International Federation of Accountants for a period from 6 to 80 months in such manner as may be determined by the council from time to time. Also, a member may depute a trainee for industrial training for a period of 3 months in any foreign country in such manner as may be determined by the council. Altogether, this is a good news from Institute of Chartered Accountants of India for the articled assistants, as the articled assistants may, after the completion of compulsory articleship of 18 months, they can go for industrial training in any central or state government and organizations or any other such organizations, and also they can go for industrial training in any foreign country, which will give more exposure to his career. For more videos, subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos, and also for getting the notification, press on the bell icon. Thank you.